Choo-choo train, here we go. To the chicken farm we roll. Cluck, cluck, chickens everywhere, running happily without a care.
Big Rooster says, cock-a-doodle-doo, good morning farm and good morning you.
Feed the chickens, watch them play,
Happy little friends all day.
cluck, clap, 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 what a sight. Sunny farm is full of delight. Cluck, clap, 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 all day long. Sunny farm is our happy song.
Clap, 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 clap,
All around the farm,
clap, 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 safe inside the barn. Rooster sings so loud and clear, all the chickens gather near.
now it's time to ride away.
Thank you, farm, for a lovely day. Bye-bye, chickens, bye-bye, farm. Thank you for your happy charm. Bye-bye, Rooster, see you soon.
We'll be back another afternoon.